Are you ready to pass the NCLEX-RN with absolute confidence? Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the vast amount of content and not knowing where to start? Welcome to NCLEX-RN Map, your ultimate guide to mastering the NCLEX-RN, where we take the stress out of studying and help you navigate the test with clarity and confidence. The NCLEX-RN is evolving, and if you're using outdated study methods, you may not be fully prepared. According to the National Council of State Boards of Nursing, NCSBN, the NCLEX-RN is designed to assess your ability to apply critical thinking and clinical judgment, not just memorize facts. With the introduction of the Next Generation NCLEX, NGN, in 2023, the exam now includes case studies and clinical scenarios that demand a deeper level of understanding. That's why at NCLEX Map, we break down every topic in a way that makes sense, helping you think like a nurse, not just a test taker. Passing the NCLEX isn't just about knowing the content, it's about knowing how to apply it. A study by the NCSBN showed that clinical judgment is one of the biggest predictors of safe nursing practice, which is why the NCLEX has shifted toward real-world application questions. But here's the problem. Many test takers fail because they focus on memorization instead of developing clinical reasoning skills. So, how can you ensure success? You need a structured, high-yield approach that focuses on active learning, test-taking strategies, and real-world application, and that's exactly what NCLEX Map provides. Let's dive into the current NCLEX-RN Test Plan and break it down into 4 essential categories. Safe and effective care environment, 14-24%. This section tests your ability to manage care, prioritize tasks, and delegate appropriately. Did you know that 60% of medication errors in hospitals are due to poor communication and delegation? That's why we focus heavily on priority-setting frameworks like Maslow's hierarchy of needs, ABCs, airway, breathing, circulation, and the nursing process, ADPI, to help you determine which patient needs immediate attention. Health promotion and maintenance, 6-12%. You'll be tested on health screenings, pregnancy, newborn care, and client education. The CDC reports that preventable chronic diseases account for 7 out of 10 deaths in the U.S., making patient education a critical skill. At NCLEX Map, we teach you how to educate patients effectively while ensuring compliance with best practices. Psychosocial Integrity, 6-12%. Mental health is a growing concern, with the World Health Organization, WHO, reporting that 1 in 4 people will experience a mental health disorder in their lifetime. The NCLEX will test your ability to provide therapeutic communication and crisis intervention. We'll teach you how to recognize cues, prioritize interventions, and support patients in distress. Physiological Integrity, 38-62%. This section makes up the majority of the exam and includes topics like pharmacology, risk reduction, and disease management. Studies show that medication errors affect over 1.5 million people annually in the U.S., making pharmacology a high-priority area for NCLEX success. We'll simplify the hardest drug classes and teach you how to answer pharmacology questions with confidence. The Next Generation NCLEX is here, and it's changing the game. Traditional multiple-choice questions are no longer enough. The new exam format includes case studies and clinical judgment measurement model drag-and-drop questions and highlighting key information multiple response. Select all that apply. Trend analysis, monitoring patient data over time. Research from the NCSBN has found that nurses who score higher on clinical judgment assessments make fewer errors in practice. That's why our approach at NCLEX Map isn't just about answering questions. It's about developing the critical thinking skills that make you a safe and effective nurse. So why should you trust NCLEX Map for your NCLEX prep? Evidence-based learning. We use the latest research from NCSBN, ATI, Kaplan, and UWorld to guide our content. Simplified high-yield topics. We take complex subjects and break them down into easy-to-understand lessons. Real-world application. We teach you how to approach NCLEX questions like a nurse, not just a student. Motivation and support. We know the NCLEX journey can be overwhelming, so we keep you motivated and on track. With our guidance, you'll not only pass the NCLEX, but you'll develop the knowledge and confidence to thrive in your nursing career. The path to becoming a licensed nurse starts here. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, Don't miss out on game-changing NCLEX content. Turn on notifications. Be the first to access new study guides, test-taking strategies, and live study sessions. Drop a comment below. Tell us which NCLEX topics you need help with, and we'll cover them in future videos. At NCLEX Map, we don't just help you pass, we help you become a confident, capable, and exceptional nurse. NCLEX Map, your ultimate guide to NCLEX success.